Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the display option, then scroll down, find the brightness option and tap on it. And right here we can scroll through the levels of brightness by swiping up and down on the screen. So select the brightness level you like, and once you find it and select it, tap on OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen brightness or adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.